Hello everyone, welcome back to Chethana Pixel YouTube channel. Today I am sharing 5 simple tips to make your Excel workbook smaller and run faster. If you are tired of slow workbooks or struggling to share big files, these tips will really help you. The last 2 are my favorite tips. Let's get started. For the demo purpose, here I have invoice analysis report. First, I would like to show you the current file size, and I will also show you at the end, after applying all these optimization tips, how much the file can reduce the size. Here, currently my file size is 7111 KB. Let us apply these amazing 5 tips in order to reduce the file size. Back to the report. It is quite often to have images in your report either in the home page or in any other pages as well. Whenever you have HD images or any high quality images in your file, those images may cause to increase your file size. In order to reduce the image quality, select the image, go to picture format, click on compress pictures. Here the current image quality is 330 ppi in the HD quality. So you can choose any of these 4 quality sizes. So if I go to email 96 ppi, this will be very low quality. So let me go to the above one, which is web, which has 150 ppi, and it will be good to have the 150 ppi. So click OK. This way you can optimize the image quality. Going to customers report. When you come to any sheet, when you press Ctrl End key in your keyboard, it will show you the last used cell. All these above rows are really blank cells, but somehow we have used these cells and applied some formatting, and we have added the data and deleted later onwards, but still Excel can consider these are the used ranges. So in order to clear these used ranges, go to the last cell by pressing Ctrl End and press Ctrl Shift left arrow and then Ctrl plus up arrow, and just hold the Shift key and then press one row down. It will come to the last row. It will select all unused ranges. Go to Home tab and click on the clear icon and click on clear all. It will clear all the formats and contents from your selected range. This way you can optimize the range of cells in Excel. Going to pivot report. Whenever you create a pivot table in your report, the pivot table will save a copy of the source data behind the scene. In order to remove the copy of the source, right click on the pivot, go to pivot table options, go to data, and here you can see save source data with file. Uncheck it and click OK. Increase the column size. If you want to refresh the report, again you can right click and click on the refresh. This will refresh the pivot table with updated data. It is time to explain my favorite 2 tips. In Office 365, if you go to a Review tab, you can see this option, Check Performance. When you click on the Check Performance icon, this option will identify all unused ranges in your entire workbook, and it gives an opportunity to optimize all unused ranges in your entire workbook. Click on Optimize All. It will optimize all the unused ranges. You can see in my report there are 23,99,691 cells were unused. All the cells were optimized now. Now currently I have my workbook extension name is .xlsx. So I am going to save this into binary workbook. Go to File, click on Save As, Browse, and instead of .xlsx I am going to change this to .xlsb, which is Excel binary workbook and save. Now this entire workbook has been optimized. Now going back to the folder, see how much the workbook has been reduced. It was around 7111 KB. Now it reduced to 143 KB. How cool is that? And that's it. These 5 tips can help you save time around frustration and make your workbooks faster and easier to share. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips. Let me know in the comments which tip helped you the most. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.